Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I hope you guys are doing super duper fabulous. So today's topic is why you should not rely on your employer's health insurance cover. The first and primary reason is when you invest, you are investing for your retirement. Later on, जब आपकी salary income नहीं होगी, when you will not have an income, you will not have an employer. That time, your investments and assets will take care of your household expenses. The same logic applies that आप health insurance ले लोगे, तो बाद में when you don't have an employer, you are still covered when you don't have an employer and when you don't have an income. The next reason is premium costs rise. As you grow old, the premium costs rise because this is not level premium. Similarly, अगर आपको कोई complication हुआ, आपको कोई disorder हुआ, तो वापस premium cost बढ़ जाती है. So it is better that you take it when you are young. We say that you should buy health insurance when you don't need it, so that you have it when you actually need it and you are not rejected. Now that is one more reason. What happens is later on, if you develop some complications or disorders, there's a chance that any health insurance company might not accept your proposal or might reject your proposal. That is another reason why you should take a health insurance and keep younger, sooner the better. Now there is a concept of waiting period also for certain diseases. All these waiting periods and cooling off periods are taken care of when you buy health insurance earlier, sooner, because you sit through the waiting period. The other important reason is sometimes employers' health insurance is inadequate. See, always remember you are buying a health insurance for a large cover, for a large amount in case of any unpredictable, unforeseen circumstances or serious illnesses. So इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो? If you have an employer cover, you can buy a top up along with it, because sometimes health insurance by employer may be inadequate also. The other reason is if you're changing jobs and in between, if there is a no job phase, and if you have an unforeseen or unpredictable circumstance where you have to get hospitalized, you are still covered, and if you have some health insurance in place. Again, there can be a case where you are changing jobs and your next employer is not providing you a health insurance cover. तो ये केस में क्या हो जाएगा, आप तभी लेने जाओगे तो वापस शायद कॉस्ट ज्यादा हो सकती है. So all these are important reasons. There is one more important reason that why you should consider buying a health insurance is there's also tax deduction to it. But for me, the most important reasons are कि so that आप जितना जल्दी लो, जितना यंग हो तब लो, so that आप रिटायर्ड के बाद ऑलरेडी कवर्ड हो. आप जॉब चेंज करो तो भी कोई टेंशन नहीं, नेक्स्ट एम्प्लॉयर आपको कवर नहीं करे तो भी टेंशन नहीं, इनएडिक्वेट कवर हो तो भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेटर ऑन आपको कोई वेटिंग पीरियड, कोई कूलिंग ऑफ पीरियड नहीं हो, एंड you are sorted till retirement and after retirement, just like you do it with investments. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you found this useful as well as interesting. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.